Good morning children, welcome to my class. So in class 1 EVS, today we are going to start a new lesson. This is lesson 19 seasons. Okay. So you see in a year there are 12 months. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months. Please say the name of the months. Okay. So let us say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay. Now you see in some months the weather is too hot. Okay, in some months you see the weather is too hot, in some months the weather is too cool. Now it's too cold, isn't it? All of us we are wearing sweater, but in summer we don't wear. Some months are very hot, some months are very cold. Okay, the hottest months have summer season. So when you feel very hot, that time you have summer season. Alright, so first of all we are discussing about summer season. Okay, when it is very hot. Summer season. Okay, in summer it's very hot. Okay, alright, during summer what do? Cotton clothes are worn. Cotton clothes, so that you can feel comfortable, we wear cotton clothes. Okay, umbrella and scarf are used for protection against sun rays. When you go out you should use umbrella. Okay, you cover your face with a mask or with a scarf, so that you can protect your skin from the sun's rays. Okay, all right. Fans and coolers are used inside the homes. You put on your ACs also. You use fans. You use coolers because at that time you feel too much hot. Okay, people like to have cold drinks and ice creams, especially children. Okay, everybody likes ice creams, isn't it? You also like, I also like. Okay, so at that time we eat what we eat. We actually drink cold drinks and we eat ice creams, isn't it? Children also like all those things to have cold drinks and ice creams. So we discussed about summer season. What do we do in the summer season? Okay, we wear cotton clothes. If we go out, we use umbrellas and scarves. Fans, coolers, ACs are used, and people like to have cold drinks and ice creams. This we do in the summer season. Okay, next one we are going to talk about winter season. Okay, second season is winter season, when you feel very cold. Winter season, so you can easily understand now it is winter. How many clothes you are wearing, how many sweaters you are wearing, you just imagine. Okay, winter season has the coldest months. November, it starts from November, December, January. Now it is February also, we are feeling so cold, isn't it? So you see here during winter, what do we do during winter? People wear woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. You wear caps, you cover your neck with muffler, you cover your head with caps, woolen caps. In the hands you wear gloves, in the legs you wear socks to protect yourself, isn't it? So you just imagine that in winter what do? You wear sweaters. Okay, so you wear woolen clothes to protect yourself, isn't it? People like to sit before a fireplace. Yeah, you will see not inside the house, we don't lit fire, but outside the house you see many people, they are gathering leaves or sticks. Okay, little wood they are gathering and they are putting on fire, okay, to keep themselves warm. Okay, so people like to sit before a fireplace when it's too cold, or we use room heaters also, we use when it's too cold. Okay, hot food, tea and coffee are liked by all. Yeah, during winters we like to have hot food, something hot. Soup, we like to have hot soups. Okay, tea and coffee, the elders they like to have tea and coffee. Children, they can have hot milk. Okay, alright. At some places snow falls, some people like to play in snow. Yeah, some places like you see in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, that is Shimla, there is snowfall. Okay, and some people like to play in snow, some people like to visit cold places in winter. There are some people who like to visit cold places in winter. If you go to Darjeeling, or if you go to Sikkim or Gangtok, all these places there is snowfall. So people go there to visit, they play with the snow. Okay. Alright, so here we talked about winter season. What you do in the winter season? You wear woolen clothes, you sit near the fire, okay, you like to eat hot food, you like to take hot foods or hot drinks, you can say. Alright, okay. And some people, they like to visit some cold places where it's very cold so that they can play with snow. Okay, alright. Now we are going to discuss about rainy season, okay. So see here. Now we are going to discuss about rainy season when it rains. Alright? In rainy season what happens? It rains, isn't it? For a certain time in a year it rains too much. When that time it is monsoon. After the summer, you see, after the summer, when it's too hot, May, June, July, these months are very hot months. Okay, after that it rains. Rain starts in, you can say, mid of June. Okay, so July, August, all these months, July, August, September, in these months we have rain. That time is known as monsoon. Okay, for a certain time in a year it rains too much. This time of the year is known as rainy season, when it rains too much. Okay, people use umbrellas and raincoat to be protected from rain. So what do we use? We use umbrellas and raincoats, isn't it? When you come to school, you usually use raincoat. You wear raincoat and come, isn't it? So people use, and when we go out, we use umbrella. When I go out, I use umbrella in the rainy season. Okay, to protect ourselves from the rain, so that we don't get the rain water. We may fall sick also. Okay, so we use raincoat, we use umbrellas when we go out. Sometimes a rainbow appears in the sky during a rain. After the rain, you can see in rainbow there are 7 colors. Okay, so immediately after the rain, if you see the sky, there is a rainbow. You can see in the sky, it looks very beautiful. Okay, thus the way we live depends upon a season. Yeah, how the way we live. Suppose now you see, it's winter, so we are wearing woolen clothes. In summer, we don't wear woolen clothes. When it rains, we take the umbrella and go out, or we wear the raincoat and go out. So, our clothing also depends upon the season. Even our food also depends upon the season. What we eat, what we don't eat. Okay, in summer, you cannot have too much hot food, you cannot have, because it's very hot. Isn't it? At that time we like to have a little cold food. But in winter we like to have hot food. Why? So that we feel little warm, we feel little good. Okay. So children, the way we live depends upon a season. Season also affects our lives. It also, so many things in our lives, it depends upon the season. What we do, what we don't do, isn't it? So please go through this lesson. This is lesson 19, seasons. Here we discussed about summer season, winter season and rainy season. Okay, thank you.